Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of gluten-free living, a topic that's gaining popularity for good reason. Whether you're gluten intolerant, have celiac disease, or simply want to explore healthier eating options, this video is designed just for you. We'll start by breaking down what gluten is and why some people choose to eliminate it from their diets. But don't worry, going gluten-free doesn't mean you have to sacrifice flavor or variety in your meals. In fact, we'll share some delicious alternatives that can make your meals exciting and satisfying. Throughout this video, you'll discover practical tips for shopping gluten-free, meal prepping, and even dining out without the stress of gluten contamination. We'll also touch on the numerous benefits of adopting a gluten-free lifestyle, from improved digestion to increased energy levels. By the end of this video, you'll feel empowered and informed, ready to take on your gluten-free journey with confidence. So, whether you're a seasoned gluten-free eater or just curious about the lifestyle, stick around. We promise you'll find valuable insights and tasty ideas that will inspire you to embrace this healthy way of living. Let's get started. Understanding gluten. Gluten is a group of proteins found in wheat, barley, and rye. It acts as a binding agent, giving dough its elasticity. Gluten is in many foods, including bread, pasta, cereals, and some sauces. For those with gluten intolerance or celiac disease, consuming gluten can lead to health issues. Celiac disease triggers an immune response that damages the small intestine. Understanding gluten is crucial for anyone considering a gluten-free lifestyle. This knowledge helps you enjoy a diverse and nutritious diet without compromising your well-being. Benefits of a gluten-free lifestyle. Adopting a gluten-free diet can lead to a variety of positive impacts on your health and well-being. Improved digestion is one of the most notable benefits. Many report reduced bloating and gas after eliminating gluten. Increased energy levels are another advantage. Without gluten, your body may function more efficiently. This boost in vitality can enhance your overall quality of life. Embracing this lifestyle may just be the change you need to thrive. When it comes to delicious gluten-free foods, the options are more abundant than you might think. Gluten-free grains are nutritious and versatile. Quinoa is packed with protein and fiber, great for salads or bowls. Rice, whether brown or white, complements many dishes. There are plenty of tasty gluten-free snacks to satisfy your cravings. Popcorn is naturally gluten-free and can be seasoned in countless ways. Trust brands like Bob's Red Mill and Udi's for gluten-free products. Embracing a gluten-free lifestyle can be enjoyable and satisfying. Transitioning to a gluten-free lifestyle can feel daunting, but with the right approach, it can be a smooth and enjoyable process. One of the best strategies is to make gradual changes rather than going cold turkey. Start by replacing a few gluten-containing items in your pantry with gluten-free alternatives. This way, you won't feel overwhelmed, and you can adjust to new flavors and textures at your own pace. Meal planning is another essential tip for a successful transition. By planning your meals ahead of time, you can ensure that you have gluten-free options readily available. This also helps you avoid last-minute decisions that might lead to accidental gluten consumption. Additionally, make it a habit to read labels carefully. Gluten can be hidden in many processed foods, so being vigilant about ingredient lists is crucial. Joining gluten-free communities, whether online or in person, can provide invaluable support and resources. These groups often share tips, recipes, and experiences that can help you navigate your new lifestyle. Connecting with others who understand your journey can make the transition feel less isolating and more empowering. Remember, transitioning to a gluten-free lifestyle is a journey, and with patience and support, you can thrive in this new way of eating. Eating out while maintaining a gluten-free diet can be enjoyable and stress-free with a little preparation. One of the best strategies is to research restaurants that offer gluten-free options before you go. Many establishments now have dedicated gluten-free menus or clearly marked gluten-free items on their regular menus. Websites and apps that specialize in gluten-free dining can also help you find suitable places in your area. Once you arrive at the restaurant, it's essential to communicate your dietary needs clearly to the staff. Don't hesitate to inform your server that you require a gluten-free meal. Ask specific questions about how dishes are prepared and whether any ingredients contain gluten. This open communication can help ensure that your meal is safe to eat. Another critical aspect to consider is cross-contamination. Even if a dish is gluten-free, it can still come into contact with gluten-containing foods during preparation. To minimize this risk, ask the restaurant how they handle gluten-free orders. Inquire if they use separate utensils, cutting boards, and cooking surfaces for gluten-free items. Being cautious about cross-contamination can make a significant difference in your dining experience. With these strategies in mind, you can confidently enjoy meals out while sticking to your gluten-free lifestyle. As we wrap up our exploration of living a gluten-free lifestyle, let's recap the key points we discussed. We highlighted the numerous benefits of adopting a gluten-free diet, including improved digestion, increased energy levels, and overall better health. We also shared practical tips for transitioning to gluten-free eating, such as making gradual changes, meal planning, and reading labels to avoid hidden gluten. Dining out can be enjoyable too, as long as you research restaurants, communicate your dietary needs, and remain cautious about cross-contamination. Understanding gluten and its implications is crucial for making informed food choices that support your health. By embracing this lifestyle, you can discover a world of delicious gluten-free foods and alternatives that can enhance your meals and well-being. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to engage with us. Please subscribe to our channel for more content on gluten-free living and healthy eating. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends or family who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.